With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So we have a question of simple interest which says that a sum of money lent out at simple interest rates amounts rupees 2,880 in 2 years and to 3,600 in 5 years. Then we have to find the sum of money and the rate of interest. So for solving this question, let the sum of money be P and let the rate of interest be R. Now we know formula that amount is equals to principal plus simple interest. We know the formula of simple interest is simple interest is equals to P into R into T divided by 100, where P is principal and R is rate of interest. Now it is given that after 2 years the amount becomes 2,880. So we will put it here. Amount is 2,880. Principal value is P. And the formula of simple interest is P into R into time is 2 years. P divided by 100. So now let us assume this is our equation 1. Now we will move to the second, that it becomes 3,600 in 5 years. So 3,600 is equals to P plus P into R into time is 5 years divided by 100. Now let us assume this is our equation 2. Now what we will do, we will subtract equation 2 with equation 1. What we will get, 3,600 minus 2,880 is equals to T plus PR into 5 by 100 minus T plus PR into 2 divided by 100. That is 3,600 minus 2,880 plus 720 is equals to P plus 5 PR by 100 minus T minus 2 PR by 100. Now this P and this P get cancelled. So 720 will equal to 5 PR minus 2 PR, that is 3 PR by 100. So value of PR by 100 will be 720 divided by 3, that is 240. So PR by 100 is equals to 240. Let us assume this is our equation 3. Now from equation 3 the value of PR by 100 is 240. We will put this value in equation 2. So from equation 3 and equation 2 we will get 3,600 is equals to P plus PR into 5 by 100. So 5 times of PR by 100 and value of PR by 100 is 240. So 3,600 is equals to P plus 1,200. Now from this the value of P comes out to be 2,400. The value of P is 2,400. P is 2,400. Now we will put the value of P in equation 3 for getting the value of R. So putting value of P in equation 3. What we will get? PR by 100 is 240. This is equation 3. By putting the value of P in equation 3, 2400 into R divided by 100 is equals to 240. So value of R comes out to be 240 into 100 divided by 2400. That is, cancelling these two zeros here and dividing 240 by 24, the value of R comes out to be 10%. So value of rate of interest is 10% and the value of initial amount is 2400.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.